gotta chase me now. It's basketball, not karate. That's not fair. Oh, I suck for that.
Want another one?
Yes, please. I don't want it since it. No, that was in your mouth.
Now it's in my mouth.
I don't want that one in your mouth.
It wasn't.
You're lying to me. Yes, you are.
It's not wet.
Put some in my hand.
It's not wet.
Put some of them in my hand. Oh, will you get that? I don't want that one. Give me 3. Come on. Whoops. Julia, give me her phone. Julia. Julia. No, give me the phone.
Hey, Dad, get your phone. No, I can't play basketball with the phone on me.
Julia, bring it here. I want to use it.
Yeah. Mommy didn't get that in my ball in the hoop. I got it in 2 times.
You did.
Oh my God. I got it in 3. I got it in 3. Here's our 3rd.
You're winning. 6-0.
How do I suck for that on that?
Julia, go get Jenny.
You want to be a cheerleader?
Go get. Where's Jenny?
Oh. Ow! Why can't I make a basket?
Uh-oh.
Take me back.